Welcome back to Balance Unleashed. Today, we're diving into the modern world of romance, where algorithms play Cupid and love is just a swipe away. But behind the promises of perfect matches, a hidden issue lurks: algorithmic bias. Are dating apps designed to find love, or are they perpetuating societal prejudices? Join us as we explore algorithmic bias in dating apps. Love in the time of AI. Let's go! The digital age has revolutionized the landscape of love and relationships, with dating apps becoming increasingly ubiquitous in our quest for companionship. At the heart of these platforms lies the intricate world of artificial intelligence, promising to streamline the search for love by predicting compatibility and connecting individuals with their perfect match. Algorithms, the invisible engines driving these apps, sift through vast troves of data, analyzing user profiles, preferences, and behaviors to curate potential matches. This data-driven approach, while seemingly objective, raises critical questions about the inherent biases that these algorithms might harbor and their implications for users seeking meaningful connections. AI-powered features like facial recognition technology further complicate the dating landscape. By analyzing facial features, these algorithms attempt to assess attractiveness, potentially reinforcing societal beauty standards and influencing user choices. The increasing reliance on AI in dating prompts us to examine its influence, ensuring that these powerful technologies foster inclusivity rather than perpetuating existing social biases. As we navigate this new era of digital romance, it is crucial to approach AI with a critical lens, demanding transparency and accountability to create a dating landscape that is fair, equitable, and truly reflects the diversity of human connection. Dating apps, with their promise of efficient matchmaking, often appear as neutral platforms connecting individuals based on shared interests and preferences. However, beneath this veneer of objectivity lies a complex web of algorithms that shape our online dating experiences in profound ways. These algorithms, far from being objective, are susceptible to biases stemming from the data they are trained on and the design choices made by their creators. Understanding how these algorithms operate is crucial to comprehending their potential impact on users and the dating landscape at large. One common approach employed by dating apps is collaborative filtering. This method identifies patterns in user behavior, such as swiping patterns or profile interactions, to predict potential matches. While seemingly innocuous, this approach can inadvertently create echo chambers, limiting users' exposure to individuals outside their perceived preference bubble. Additionally, algorithms often rely on user-defined preferences, which can be influenced by societal biases and personal prejudices, further perpetuating existing inequalities within the dating pool. Unpacking the intricacies of these algorithms is essential to foster a more nuanced understanding of their influence on our perceptions of attraction and compatibility. By critically examining the mechanisms behind these digital matchmakers, we can begin to address the inherent biases they may perpetuate and work towards creating a more equitable and inclusive dating landscape. While algorithms are often perceived as objective and impartial, they are, in reality, susceptible to reflecting and even amplifying existing societal biases. This is particularly concerning in the context of dating apps, where algorithms play a significant role in shaping our perceptions of potential partners and influencing our romantic choices. These biases can manifest in various ways, often perpetuating harmful stereotypes and discriminatory practices. One prominent example is the issue of racial bias. Studies have shown that dating apps can inadvertently perpetuate racial discrimination by prioritizing matches within the same racial group, even when users express openness to interracial dating. This can be attributed to biased datasets used to train the algorithms, which may reflect historical inequalities and social preferences. Similarly, gender biases can emerge, with algorithms potentially favoring men or women based on ingrained societal norms and expectations. These biases, often subtle and unintentional, can have a significant impact on users' experiences, limiting opportunities for connection and reinforcing harmful stereotypes. Recognizing and addressing these biases is crucial to ensuring that dating apps promote inclusivity and foster a more equitable dating landscape for all. reinforcing existing social divides. Section 5. Towards equitable connections. The quest for unbiased AI. Creating a more equitable and inclusive digital dating landscape requires a fundamental shift in how we approach AI development and implementation. It necessitates a move away from simply optimizing algorithms for efficiency towards prioritizing fairness, transparency, and user well-being. This paradigm shift demands a multi-pronged approach, addressing both technical and societal factors that contribute to algorithmic bias. One crucial aspect is the development of ethical AI frameworks that embed fairness and inclusivity as core principles. This involves moving beyond simply mitigating bias to actively promoting diversity and representation in all stages of the AI lifecycle, from data collection and algorithm design to testing and deployment. Furthermore, fostering greater transparency in how algorithms operate is essential to building user trust and accountability. Providing clear explanations of how matching algorithms work, what data points are being used, and how potential biases are being addressed can empower users to make informed decisions and hold platforms accountable for their practices. Section 6. The power of diversity, building representative datasets. The adage garbage in, garbage out holds particularly true in the realm of AI. Algorithms are only as good as the data they are trained on, and biased or unrepresentative datasets inevitably lead to biased outcomes. Therefore, addressing the issue of algorithmic bias in dating apps starts with ensuring that the datasets used to train these algorithms are diverse and representative of the user population they serve. This involves actively seeking out and incorporating data from underrepresented groups, ensuring that the algorithms are exposed to a wide range of demographics, backgrounds, and preferences. However, simply collecting more data is not enough. It is crucial to address potential biases within existing datasets, identifying and mitigating historical imbalances or prejudices that may be embedded in the data itself. This requires a critical examination of data collection practices, ensuring that data is gathered ethically and with a conscious effort to avoid perpetuating existing societal biases. By prioritizing diversity and representation in every stage of data collection and curation, we can create more robust and equitable datasets that serve as the foundation for fairer and more inclusive AI systems. Section 7. Transparency is key, illuminating the black box of algorithms. One of the most significant challenges in addressing algorithmic bias is the lack of transparency surrounding how these taking to ensure fairness and inclusivity in their algorithms. This transparency not only empowers users to make informed decisions, but also enables researchers and ethicists to scrutinize these systems, identify potential areas of concern, and contribute to developing more equitable solutions. Empower users and foster meaningful connections. Section 9. The Future of Digital Dating, Navigating Love and Algorithms. As AI continues to permeate every aspect of our lives, its influence on how we find love and form relationships is only likely to grow. The future of digital dating hinges on our ability to harness the power of AI while mitigating its potential pitfalls, ensuring that these technologies serve to connect us rather than divide us. This requires a collective effort from developers, policymakers, researchers, and users alike. Developers must prioritize ethical considerations in AI development, embedding fairness, transparency, and accountability into their systems. Policymakers have a crucial role to play in establishing guidelines and regulations that promote responsible AI use, protecting users from algorithmic harm. Researchers must continue to investigate and expose biases in AI systems, proposing solutions and holding platforms accountable. Ultimately, users must demand better from these platforms, advocating for transparency, fairness, and a human-centered approach to AI in dating. By working together, we can shape a future where AI serves as a tool for fostering meaningful connections, promoting inclusivity, and enriching our lives. Algorithmic bias in dating apps is a complex issue with no easy solutions. But by raising awareness and demanding accountability, we can work towards a future where technology fosters connection rather than discrimination. If you're interested in learning more about the intersection of technology and relationships, I recommend these two amazing books. First book, Invisible Women, Data Bias in a World Designed for Men, by Carolyn Prieto Perez, which explores how data bias affects various aspects of our lives, including relationships. And second book, The Ethical Algorithm, Science and Values, Deciding the Future of Data, by Michael Kearns and Aaron Roth, which delves into the ethical considerations of algorithms and their impact on society. Don't forget to check the description below for the links to these books. What are your experiences with dating apps? Have you encountered algorithmic bias? Share your stories and thoughts in the comments. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Balance Unleashed for more explorations into the evolving world of AI. Click on the end cards to see other videos that might interest you, and follow us on our social media platforms to stay connected. Thank you for watching.